Of 2016 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, dual rear wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.